Okay, we're going to do some chiral center problems. There are two ways to arrange 4 different substituent groups, and remember that the highest atomic number is assigned priority number 1, and the lowest is assigned priority number 4. Just keep that in mind when we're doing these problems. Okay, number 1 over here. Let's see, what's going to get number 1? Alright, bromine gets number 1. Number 2 is going to be chlorophyll. Remember, highest atomic number, bromine has a higher atomic number than chlorine. That's why bromine is getting number 1 and chlorine is getting number 2. Okay, let's see. H is going to be our handle, hydrogen, and then number 3 is going to be this methyl group over here. Let's see, 1 goes to 2, goes to 3, goes to 4. This is clockwise, so this is going to be R. Okay, nice. All right, next one over here. Let's see. Bromine, still our first one. Chlorine, number 2. Number 3 is going to be our methyl group. And remember, H is our handle, hydrogen. So opposite order right now. Whoa, over there. That's an arrow. To here, over around. So that is counterclockwise, so S. Okay, next one right here. Let's see, who is going to get number 1? Bromine. And then ROH group is going to get number 2. And then 3 down here. Don't forget this one's 4. I didn't label all the other 2, but your hydrogen's for your number 4 group. Okay. So this one right here, you might notice that the OH substituent is a dashed line instead of the wedge. So how I like to do these, and I think many people will agree with me, is you're going to flip it. Flip it. Okay. So what that means and how I draw it, it's going to be kind of like a mirror image. So this is going to be Br, or bromine. It's your methyl group. Now don't flip the wedges. Those are going to stay how they look on here. That makes sense. So the substituent groups are actually the ones that are flipped, not like the orientation. So this is going to be OH, and our dash is going to be hydrogen. Same thing. Relabel it 1. Oops, that's not 1. Don't do that. That's wrong. 1, 2, and 3 down here. Okay, so you see 1 is going to go to 2, going to come all the way around to 3, and back around. So this is clockwise. This is going to be R. Awesome. Okay, coming down here. Same thing as we've been doing. Let's see. So which one are we going to label first? Usually it's going to be that one's the heaviest, Br. That one's 2, and this one is going to be 3. So down here, I try to draw mine looking like a circle, so that way it's easier to tell if it's going clockwise or counterclockwise. There we go, R. Nice. Okay, this next one is similar to the one up here. The bromine is on the dashed one. So let's see. We're gonna need to flip it. Okay, so F means flip. Okay, cool. So draw a mirror image, except for the dashes, they stay the same. They are not. The dash and the wedge don't flip, just this part. And then let's see here, Br, bromine. That's our methyl group. Okay, so now you assign it as we did before. 1, 2, and 3. And then right here, here, and back around. That is counterclockwise. So that is S. Just remember to keep in mind, when you have something dashed, it's behind. So that's why we have to flip it to the wedge part, because wedge is a part of the same plane. Because when you think about this, you hold it. I don't know why I'm doing it with my hands, but you hold it by the dashed part, and then the rest of the molecules are up here. Their substituent groups are up there. So if you have something that can't be back on the dashed, so basically anything that's not hydrogen, hydrogen you want on the dashed, everything else not on a dashed. So there you go. Hope that made sense. Okay, last row down here. All right. Let's see what we got. Everything looks good. Let's see, this is gonna be 1. This down here is gonna be 2 and 3. Okay. There. Okay, that is going in a clockwise motion. So R. This last one right here, let's see. Which one is gonna be our first one? Our OH group. 1. And then our next one will be 2. And this one right here will be 3. Okay. This way. Oh, that's S. Nice, counterclockwise. All right, and the next video I'll have ones that are a little bit more challenging, but hopefully these easier ones made sense.